In this video, I will show you how to disable extensions in Google Chrome. It should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to get started with this, what you want to do is open up a new Google Chrome browser. Come up to the top right hand corner, and what you want to do is click onto this icon here, which looks like a jigsaw puzzle piece. This for your extensions, and on this small window that comes up, just come down and click onto the manage extensions option down here. Now this is going to take you across to all your currently installed extensions, and from here, if you want to disable any extensions, maybe you no longer use them or they're just causing your Chrome to not work properly or something like that, what you want to do is find the extension that you want to disable. For example, let's take this Go full page screen capture, and what you're going to do is click the small switch down here to disable the extension. From here, what you can also do is fully delete and remove the extension. So if it's one you no longer use, you can see we've got a remove button. Give it a click. What it's going to do is ask if you want to remove this extension. Just click onto remove, and as you can see, that's fully removed and deleted that extension. So that is how to disable extensions in Google Chrome. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.